Hello everyone, I'm Michael Futures. Welcome to my show. Today we are going over the bots that I've been doing. We're on Phoenix Exchange. I connected using API, CCXT library. We can see here all the movements that my bot has been making, longs and shorts the past few days. I'm currently in a position right now, and we are just gonna let the bot run. We went over the code itself. We could see where I executed it. We went over how I connected to the exchange. We went over my key files, my pandas, NumPy, the Phoenix Exchange, the symbols, the target loss, the params, and here's the bot. And I told you how I imported from my nice functions files. You know, so I had a file over here with all my functions in it. Actually, it's right here. You see nice funcs? Let me bring that down. You can see here that I imported the nice funcs. So anywhere that you see an N, I imported it. So we don't have to take up the whole. Every code would be 1,000 to like 500 to 1,000 lines. So I just make folders where I keep using things over and over, and I import them over here. It makes things a lot simpler that way. But today what I really want to go over is, now that I have the bot running, I showed you how to connect, I showed you the codes, I showed you the exchange, you know, the folders, the terminal, how the bot's running in a terminal. You can see it right here below me. It's running live. It's printing as we speak. The things I wanted to go over was ChatGPT. So I wanted to look at the codes. We have in GPT-4, I have beta testing in the settings. We can go to plugins, or we could go to code interpreter. I want to research this code a little bit. So what I did was, if you see right here at this bottom below me here, you see upload file. I press this. When this comes up, it asks you, what file do you want to upload? So I uploaded the bot, and it says it appears that you've uploaded a Python file named 12bot3.py. Would you like me to read and explain this content? I also said thank you. I have another code folder that goes to this. I'd like to make improvements. It says sure, I'd be happy to help. So I imported the next folder, as you see here, nicefuncs.py. Thanks for providing the additional file nicefuncs.py. Now what would you like me to do? I picked suggest improvements. So here it is. Out of all both of the folders I uploaded that are running my code, I asked it, how could I improve? It says, from a high level perspective, your trading bot script 12bot3.py and your utility function script nicefuncs.py are well organized and readable. However, there are several areas where improvements can be made. Removing redundancy. You have duplicate code in several places. Exception handling. Code modularity. Commenting and documentation. Hard-coded values. Use of sleep. Code formatting. I said, can you update both of these files for me? And it did. It gave me the files. And halfway through, you can see here, I believe we had an error. Yeah, you see, they said they had an error here. Code error, writing refactor code to the file. So we made a separate one for 2 different folders. It was putting both of them on one. So from here to about here, that is one code. And then here is another code. So it improved my codes for me. I didn't stop running my bot, but what I did do was create files for these codes. Let me see where I could find them. And I put it under GPT. So here you can see it says the bot 3 code refactored, and this is the new edition of the code. It looks clean, it looks nice. And I did the same thing with the nice funks. Actually, I can't find that one now. Oh, nice funks GPT. I'm gonna save this. I better save these before I lose them. So I did the same thing. I refactored these codes. So they look a lot cleaner. And I'm gonna wait before I run these, because as you can still see, the bot below me is still running, honestly. So I'm gonna wait until I'm done running this bot, and I'm gonna make improvements. You know what I mean? So I don't really want to run this until I'm done running the bot, and then I'll make improvements. I'll run that code and I'll see like what I could do to make more money, things to improve. Here's the code I'm running right. Here's the bots. It's trading. I'm in a position right now, and you know, we're gonna go for it. I will touch back with you guys with more information of how I make improvements to the bot, optimize it, and how we can make more money. But that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Like, subscribe, share, comment, you know, whatever you could do. I'm gonna try to get better. I know I gotta be more enthusiastic, but this work is tedious, you know, codes and everything like that. But I appreciate all support. I'll check in with you guys later, and have a great day.